Hello, this is the first video of this course. In this video, we will discuss about user interface, about the menus, buttons of Enscape in SketchUp window and also in Enscape window, and we will discuss about the basics of interface, how to use. So let's start. The PC we are using for this course is Rainbow Aurora R8 with Core i7 8700 processor and GPU GTX 1080 and 16 GB RAM. Hello viewer. Today we are starting Enscape course, how to use Enscape. In this video today we will discuss about Enscape menu in SketchUp window and Enscape menu in Enscape window. So let's start. The first one, this button on this menu, this tab is for starting Enscape, and this one is synchronize views with Enscape, and this one is for creating light subjects in Enscape. Here in this window we have lights, cipher lights, spotlights, line lights, and different kind of lights. And also in this area I will tell you, we can also link a model if we don't have very big or powerful PC. So you can import very heavy or big file in your SketchUp model, so you can link that model like this. So for instance, we will now link a door here, so we will delete this door later on. So this is only for your understanding. So this door it is only reference of that model, so you can use model reference like we use proxy, the same thing like proxy in V-Ray or proxy model in Enscape also. So, and also if you want to use some kind of sound, light sound or any sound, you can also use sound files from here. And after that, this one is asset browser window tab, sorry. So when you will press this button, asset browser will open. If you have already imported, downloaded offline asset library, you can give a path from this button. So you will be using your downloaded asset library from your computer. So here we have many of model from Enscape, so we can use any model here like this one, if we import, we can place it here. Okay, if you have some custom model made by yourself, so you can also put them here, but this will be discussed later on. This asset browser also can be used inside the Enscape window. This one is Enscape material library. How to apply this material from this Enscape's supplied online material library. We will understand this in our next videos, how to use Enscape material from asset browser. So this one is material editor, Enscape material editor. This one also we will use in our next windows. So here, if you select by selecting this bucket and press Alt and click on the surface, any surface you want to change the material, you just click here and that material will be visible here, and also it will be highlighted here. Sorry, it is material. Let me include the material tab here. Yes, this one. Also you have, if you change a material, press Alt, click with the dropper or at any surface. For instance, we press on this grass, so grass will be highlighted here in this Enscape editor and SketchUp editor. So you can adjust further parameters of materials that we will discuss in our material tutorial in this course. And next to this one is upload management. If you want to upload your Panorama or web standalone made by you, you can upload it to the Enscape cloud. So if we will discuss this later in our upcoming videos. And this one is for general setting. So for beginners, you don't have to worry about these things for starting. Only if you want to change your language, you can change it here. Now this is feedback and about Enscape. Let's start Enscape. For starting Enscape, you have to press this button, Start Enscape here. So Enscape is starting. I have already starting screen I have already changed. I have applied my banner on Enscape starting window. So when Enscape window will start, IID Studio banner will appear on the screen. You can also change yours. Okay, scene has been started. So as I link that door, this one, this is a link object which we linked earlier with this object menu from here. So let's delete it. This was only for introduction, and this model we use by Enscape browser, object browser. So this also we will delete for the time. And now let's discuss about this two tab, how we will use it. As you see, if I move this scene, so it's only moving in an SketchUp window. It's not moving here in Enscape window. So both are moving separately. So if you are doing work in a scene close by close, so you want to get near of this plant, so you have to manually adjust this window to get near to this plant. So for this purpose, you can do one thing. You just press this button here. When you will press this one, Enscape automatically synchronize views with each other, Enscape and SketchUp. So let's press this one. See this, as we move here in SketchUp, so we can move and see in both windows. So this way you can work and synchronize scene. What you will change in your SketchUp, so it will be visible in Enscape window, so you can see the result. And now when I uncheck this button, so you can work on both windows, both views separately. So for instance, if I am working in this area, everything will be at the same time will be visible in Enscape like this. But if I uncheck this live update, you see what happened? I scale this box, so nothing happened. in this area. So when we press this live update, you see what are you doing in this area. Same time it will be available, or sorry, it will be highlighted, or changing will occur in Enscape. Let's finish this one. That's only the work of this tab in SketchUp area, SketchUp window. Now we will see what else we can do in SketchUp window. So if you change your scene, so also view and scene will be changed in Enscape also. So we will press scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and the same way if we create a new scene, if we create a new scene here, we will synchronize this one. Change it again. Here we have our section, so we can change the section height, and also we can cut the section. Let's synchronize views. So this way, because we don't have any light here, so we can see inside inner wall area. You can see this, and we will now come to scene 7. So as you change your scene here, the same way you can change in Enscape. Now we will check what we can do in Enscape window and how we can manipulate Enscape window with the help of menu. So this first one is Home tab, second one is for collaborative annotation. We want to add any detail in your model, and here is the beam information. If you want to add any beam information in your model, any detail to your model, but that is not necessary for new learner or for beginner. The important section are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 panels are important for now. So let's start view management area. Actually, SketchUp's build scene are the views. So at the moment we are at scene 3, view number 3. We can adjust the view, we can edit the view, we can edit the sun position. Suppose now this sun position is something different. If we change the sun angle or sun position, how to change the sun position? Press shift, right click, press right click, right mouse button and drag to one side, so you will change the time. So now we have changed the time and we will press this button and save it. So if we press on scene 2, you can see the sun position, and we come here. So see, sun position is on position in which position we have saved already. And if you want to create a new view, you can press, for instance, we will change the view here and we will press create view. So here we have many options. We can rename the view, we can also link a preset if you have already built preset, and also we can change the camera position. You see, as we move this view, this camera position is changing. And also what we will do, we will change the time of the day. So press shift and press right button of the mouse and drag it to one side. So this is now the evening time. We will check this button, so we will create, and this will be created. And if we change from scene 1 to newly built scene, Enscape scene 1, so you check the daytime will be evening because we have saved it at evening time. See, now this is evening. And also at the same time, as we build this scene in Enscape, it is also automatically built it in SketchUp also, you see here. So if we change here from SketchUp, it will be automatically changed in both window. even if we don't have synchronized views, so you can check here. And after that we have one more tab. This one is asset library, asset browser. So because I am using offline asset library, so this box is checked. Here you can also link any ex, ex, external model, or you can use your custom built model that you have already made, and you can also add from the Enscape asset library. So let's put one model from here. We will add one and we will see what happened. So from here we will add one chair here, as many as chair you can. You just click and it will be applied. Click, and after adding the model, you can click model and click on move button, so you can move it and you can rotate it. If you want to rotate some other angle, you can also rotate it on other angles. If you want to delete, you can delete this model. Select other one, and if you want to scale it, press scale and you can scale from up, scale from all together, and also you can add other model at the same time. When you finish, you just apply changes. So changes will be applied until you are in this asset library area. Whenever you take your mouse over this Enscape object, it will be automatically highlighted. So when you, as soon as you remove or you go to the home window or you go to the any other window, so when you bring your mouse over that object, so it will not be highlighted. If you want to move this object's position, so you have to go back to asset library, select button, select this object, select move, and you can move the position of this object and apply changes. Next one is site context. So site context, you can add site context if you have some special location or position where you want to build your model. So you want to make a model of that area and you want to put your model in that location, so you can use this window. So we will discuss it in later videos. And this one is for videos. For video tab, video editor, how to use it, you can use it, which is very easy. For Enscape, if you want to show guidelines, you check this button, and also you can set your movement of the camera, shaky camera or easy in out camera. For this time we will leave it to easy in out. So this is very easy. For starting, you press this button after setting your position of start. Press 1, and with the arrow key we will move the other end of the pole, and we will press it again. Now you see automatically this time duration clock has come here. You can change the time between your two keyframe. So if you start here to preview between these two keys how fast is moving, so let's check. The time is only 6 seconds for between two keys. So if you want to increase the time, you can increase it manually, or you can use these arrow keys. So for instance, if we want to reduce it to 2 seconds, and then we will start it again, you see how fast it will move. Again, if you want to increase it to 10 or 11, so now it will be very slow and smooth. So this is stop here. So this is movie making area. For now we will delete this path. Yes, and we will go to the next window. Screenshot. If you will press this button, it will make a still image of your view. You can select the image type and click save. But before saving, you have to adjust the size of your image and resolution of the image. So you can press this I visual setting button, output, and here you can adjust your size, HD, Full HD, Ultra HD, or even if you can set your custom size also. For now we will make a test full HD PNG. We will make not PNG, JPG. Yes, and we will press here. Name it test and save. Now we will check it from here. Yes, test. This is our rendered window. This image we have created just now. And next to this one is batch rendering. Batch rendering, if you want to render your multiple scene at what time, you can select 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and the all scene will be rendered in a one sequence. So you have set already. So these 7 images will be rendered in one go. So this area can be used only if you have too many scenes already. You have worked on the scene, so you can use this option. Next one is for panorama. If you want to build a panorama, this panorama is being built now. So you have this panorama area, and this area you can build a standalone file or web standalone file. So from this you can make a standalone file. That means you will build a application by the help of Enscape, in which your model will be saved and your client can see and navigate the scene like you navigate in your computer in Enscape. So you can set it on the website, or you can give this file to your client so he can view this scene like you are seeing in Enscape in his computer. So this can be used for further enhancement of your design. And this side area, this is the help panel. In this area there is a basic setting of this is a basic help for navigation, moving up, down, walk, fly. So there is a detailed instruction about how to work in Enscape window. You can open this area and you can read it carefully. After that, this one is Enscape window setting. You see, I have already applied my banner on starting screen from here. You can change your, and also you can set a watermark on your screen like this one. You can set the position where you want to set. So we will not use it now. And there is some other option for mouse speed, mouse smoothing, and there are too many options. You can use whatever is suiting your work. And this one is for VR headset. If you are using VR headset, I will not use it now because I don't have. And this navigation mode, you want to use fly mode because now we are using fly mode. I have now I am using it, pressing left click of my mouse and dragging right left. But if you are also, you can use W for forward, S for backward, A for left, D for right, Q for down, E for up. And also you can use walk mode. In walk mode, you can use the same keys, but when the stairs will come, it will the mood will be changed, like going on the stairs. So I used to work in fly mode, and here you can view it in perspective mode, 2-point perspective, and orthographic mode. So let's go to the scene 1, and here you can use the save frame. Save frame is the size of your output setting. So you see, if we change to 1024 HD, Full HD, and the Ultra HD, these are same, only resolution is different. Even if you want to use full window. And this one is mini map. Mini map means if you want to change the location of your view, so you can set your camera here, so this small map will be visible here you can move in the area by the help of this map. So now you are here, you can adjust where you want to go. So this is a mini map. So this is for today, how to use Enscape window, and this was only introduction with the Enscape basic window option, introduction of the interface. So in our next videos we will start for scene setup, how to set the scenes, how to present your model, how to present your scenes. So this is for today. See you in next video of this course. So keep watching. Bye bye.